All right, guys, stay tuned to the end and I'll tell you how you can win a pie party for your whole classroom. You guys, we're closed every Saturday, and Pie Day, 3/14, March 14th, falls on a Saturday this year. So we want to celebrate Pie Day with you, but we're going to celebrate a day early on Friday, March 13th. So on Friday the 13th, all of our teachers, we love our teachers, we're giving you 15% off of your entire order, 15% off of any whole pie that you pick up. And you can pre-order those pies online. You can pick them up Thursday night if you need to, because I know you got to get to school early on Friday. And all of our slices are only $3.14 that day as well. Okay, now on to the big giveaway. All right, so students, let us know who your favorite teacher is and why. Let us hear about it in the comments below. And on Pie Day, March 14th, we're going to choose 6 teachers to win a pie party for your whole classroom. So once we pick the 6 winning teachers, we'll figure out a time when it's convenient for you to pick up the pies for your pie party at any one of our 6 pie shop locations. So be watching all of our social media platforms. We'll be announcing it on all 4 platforms. You have until Friday the 13th at 12 noon to tell us who your favorite teacher is. All right, you guys, good luck to you, and we look forward to hearing about your favorite teacher.